Lovart is the first AI design agent that turns any ideas into polished design assets. It handles design end-to-end from brand assets and social graphics to ad creatives and viral videos. While other design products gives you a tool to design, Lovart gives you the design result itself, plus access to all the top AI image and the video models. And you can see the inspirations here. If you go to Seedance 2.0, you can see that create a smooth blog video, design an immersive apartment tour. And if you wanted to have results like this, you can just click on this thing and you can see this entire prompt here, and this is really amazing. Now, in order to create something like this, you don't have to manually try and come up with the result. They give the exact prompt that you can use to get this result. And now you can go ahead and see this Nano Banana Pro. You can see you can put your logos on everything like a mock-up. You can have classic superhero comic strips and all these use cases. Of course, you can type your own prompts here, but this is another nice thing to know and get started really quickly. You can go ahead and design, for example, experiment with furniture design here. We have branding, generate outdoor mock-ups for your design. And then we have e-commerce, generate new angles for your clothing. And then we have videos. You can make different videos. For example, generate short form videos with Sora, generate cinematic footage, and all these examples. But in this video, I'm going to show you what I showed you at the beginning, how to create everything that we see there. And you can see that these are all the community shared. You can see the branding examples here, poster and ads, illustrations. Basically, they use different image models and video models, but again, the prompting matters actually. And you can see this design. It's really amazing. The prompting matters and the agent matters as well. Let's go ahead and create our first one. But first, we can see that we have this thinking mode where we can plan complex tasks and deliver autonomously. I can say click here, and then you can see these models here. These are different image models, for example, GPT Image 2 and other models, Nano Banana. We have Luma. For video models, we have the famous Seedance 2.0, Kling. These are all really good models, Veo. And for 3D, we have these different models. But what we're going to do is we're going to just say auto, and this is going to extract or use the best model that is available. And here, if you click on more, you can see the web search. I'm going to make this on as well so that it has more context to it. And now let's get started and put in our first prompt. So this is my prompt. I'm going to send this over. This will open up in a new canvas. So this is Lovart AI, a new canvas here. And you can see the canvas here. So create a premium futuristic AI smart glasses called Vision AI. Design language should feel like Apple meets OpenAI with minimal luxury aesthetics. The glass should have matte black titanium frame, thin temples, then integrated camera hidden elegantly, transparent AR technology, soft LED status, premium engineering. So create a hero product shot of a dark background with dramatic cinematic lighting, and include subtle branding, Vision AI, ultra realistic product photography. And this is really amazing. This is going to help you create a premium futuristic AI glasses, taking inspiration, and it's executing as of now. Alright, created your Vision AI smart glasses with premium Apple meets OpenAI aesthetics. The hero shot features matte black titanium construction, and this already looks something which Apple would ship really great. Now I can go ahead and create different angles. So for this, I can say this prompt, create multiple angles of this particular glass. So this is the prompt: create multiple views of the Vision AI smart glasses, include front, side, folded, top-down view, and all these different things. Maintain identical design and branding. So I send this over. Alright, we have some outputs here. Let's go and see. So going on the top, we can see that we gave this prompt a front view, side view, and you can see that this is the front view, pretty good. We have the side view, we have the folded view, then we have the top down view and the exploded engineering view. We have the Vision AI lifestyle shot here, and this is really looking great. If we zoom out here, we can see the assets here. Okay, so all these assets have been formed. So we have these as reference here, and we can again move ahead. Now what I can do is we have different options. For example, if I go ahead and click on this photo, we can see that we have this quick edit, we have upscale, remove background, eraser, and then we have edit elements, edit text. Of course, there are no text here, but you can go ahead and edit multiple angles. We can generate multiple angles, which is the same effect that we did when we generated multiple angles of the same glasses that we have. If you click here, this is going to set you up with a mockup as well. If we have a brand name, for example, we can go ahead and expand as well. If we want to increase the photo, the size of the photo, adjust, we can crop, we can make it a vector. If we make it a vector, you can use it on your websites because even if you zoom it, it's not going to break the pixels there. Flip and rotate, and you can customize the toolbar here. But let's go ahead and do some packaging stuff here. Run this one using the Vision AI smart glasses design as reference. Create premium Apple inspired packaging. So matte white box, I can say pink box maybe, then embossed Vision AI, I can say CN box. Then we need the logo, product tray, USB-C charging cable, and all these minimal luxury aesthetics. I can send this over. It's taking shape. So we have the output. You can see using the vision, we wanted this output. So it goes ahead and research all the things and comes up with this perfect, I would say perfect packaging here. Really amazing. Now I can add this as well. I can add this auto layout here, and this is going to lay out everything together. I can say I don't want this frame to be here, so I can maybe go ahead and use this. I can delete this frame. I don't need this frame actually, as a matter of fact. Now what I can do is I can copy this and say auto layout, and it's okay. So I have these now. Okay, so we can go ahead and see this is really beautiful, really interesting. The next thing that I can do is I can go ahead and create a hero section. Okay, so I can say create a modern Apple style website, like headline is like meet Vision AI, and you can say future right before your eyes, display the sunglasses floating in the dark gradient background and professional web design. You can do this, and not just these design. I can select all this. I have the reference here as well, and I have the reference of this as well. So I send this over. Let's see. Okay, we have the hero section here, and this is the Meet Vision AI, the future right before your eyes. And the reason that I've done this is to show some of the things that it's able to do. So I can say click, and then I can use this eraser and erase this whole text here. For example, take this and I select this, and then I say run. This is going to run for me a new one saying removing, and this will remove the entire text here. And you can see the eraser output. This removed the entire text here. Okay, so another thing that I can test is click here and then click on edit text, and you can see that the future right before your eyes, maybe I can say your very eyes. Okay, and then I say run, so this will run this again. Okay, so this is the removed one. So it's editing the text here. You can see while this is going on, maybe I can go ahead and put in a different prompt. For example, this one, I can say create feature section graphics for Vision AI, and these are the different features for real-time assistant, live translation, recall memory, hands-free photography, augmented reality, display the battery life 24 hours, and Apple Keynote style graphics here. And then I can say go ahead and do this. Now this editing thing, you can see right before your eyes, and this is right before your very eyes. It's really amazing. Now I would like to show you the multi-angle thing as well. So let's say I take this image here and then go ahead and put it here. This is the image, and I click on the image. I can say multi-angles here, and then you can go ahead and you can see that if I click on camera, then you can position the camera wherever you want. So for example, let's say I want it here, and let's say the scale, then I go ahead and run this. This is going to generate multiple angles from the position of the camera that I put. So you can see this view, the same image, it's available from the other view, from that 45-degree view. Maybe let me show you with a different example here. So let's say I take this person, and this person I say multi-angles, and then I want to change the angle maybe from the top here. Okay, and then I say run, and you can see this is really amazing. So it generated from the top, and let's do one more. It's really fun. So I go ahead and click on this image, and then I say multi-angles. I go ahead and say go to camera, and then go ahead, let's take a left view of this, and I say run here. So you can see that we have a different angle now. That's really amazing. Go ahead and try this. Now you can go ahead and maybe download this image here. So if you go ahead and download this image and open it up, you can see this image. Really great. But if you want an SVG, that's possible as well. So if you go here, click on the three dots, and you can say vector. This will convert it into vector on the right. So this is vectorizing the image here. Cool. So this is vectorized. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and download this SVG file. So SVG. Now if you go ahead and open up the SVG here, you can see this. It's ultra realistic, and this is really good for your using on your websites and all. Okay, we have this. What did you ask? We asked to create a section graphics for Vision AI. So it's creating the graphics here. Let me create all 6 feature graphics. So while this is generating, I'm going to add one more prompt, which is this one, design the Vision AI mobile companion, and I want a dashboard, a battery status, I want AI assistant, translation mode, camera controls, setting page, dark mode UI, and a premium Apple aesthetics. So we will send this after this is done. And right now you can see that we are having a lot of things that's going on here, and we are building our entire brand here. And you can see these images are being generated here, which are these images that we have asked. Cool. So we have all these images. Let me generate the final feature graphics for battery life. Okay, it's generating the battery life now. But you can see this is real-time AI assistant, and then we have live translation. Really great. So you can see that this is another language, and this is given in English. So this is Spanish, and this is English, Japanese, and this is English. And you can see memory recall, really great. Never forget a memory, instant memory visuals. Then we have hands-free photography, so create live moments with a blink. It's really amazing how it is able to show inside of this glass here. Then we have augmented reality, really great, which shows the Apple stock price here, temperature, messages, and really great. The last one is the battery graphics for battery life, and the final one is this battery life. Amazing. Now I can send over this command to design a Vision AI mobile companion app. Let's send this over. Okay, so we have this battery status. So you can see we have 87% battery here. You can basically see all the things that you will see when you connect your AI glasses to your mobile phone. And you can see all these things here, the messages and the translation things, the photos. And the last one that's generating right now is I'll generate the final setting screen. So that's the final setting screen. Now at this point of time, what do you want? We want somebody using it. So the next prompt could be create luxury lifestyle images showing Vision AI in use. So for example, scene could be business executive, traveler, at airport, coffee shop, and let's create just these three only. So we've completed the Vision AI mobile companion. Now let's create the luxury images showing this in use, and then we can go ahead and create one video as well. Now before the video, you can also do the social media campaign. You can build a social media campaign, for example, Insta post, Insta story, Facebook ad, LinkedIn banner, maybe a Twitter header or YouTube banner. And then you can go ahead with billboard as well, futuristic billboard advertisement for Vision AI. You can do all sorts of things. You can do product launch event, like a keynote launch event, magazine cover. This is another one. You can go ahead and now let's create a commercial video for this. So I'm going to make the next prompt ready, which is turn the product into a cinematic 15-second product commercial, like slow camera movements, macro lens shot and soft reflection, elegant lighting, premium Apple advertising style, shallow depth of field, black background, then smooth transition, luxury feel, woman ambassador. And now I can send this over. So we have these four things. We wanted to make different people using the glasses here. So you can see this is a beautiful image, and then we have this. So you can see all the things, creative direction. Then we have Vision AI assistant, how can I help you today? And this looks like real conversations that we have. And at the airport, you can see the flight status, the translation, the temperature in Dubai, and 3-minute walk to C112. Next, I want to make a cinematic 15-second commercial, and you can see everything is piling up really well. This is the entire creative that you have here. And if you want to share this with anyone, you can go ahead and share this. If you want to make it as a full brand, you can actually. We indeed made this a brand. Now we can go ahead and use this to create social media posts as well, as I mentioned. But I want you to go ahead and try that. But in this video, let's try this video thing. Okay, so while this is generating, let me go back and show you some things. So this Lovart, what you can do is, if you liked what you did, you can go ahead and save this as a skill. Okay, and there are numerous skills which are already made as well. So for example, if you want to create a one-shot video, you can go ahead and use this skill. You have a storyboard skill, Instagram post skill, then you have ad directive. These are for the social media, for the e-commerce, for branding, marketing, and studio. So all of these skills are available. You can go ahead and use those skills to haste everything. I'm really liking it because it has all these things that I can use ready-made, and I just need to put the product first. So for example, I just need to put a product image here, and then we can just get started with the exact thing that we want here. Let's go back, and you can see that we are perfect. I've completely referenced Apple style cinematography, and this is a 15-second premium commercial, Apple style cinematography. And then this is the execution plan. So for example, macro temple details with LED, then we have rotating a product reveal, woman ambassador portrait, then macro glasses on face, AR interface activation, final product shot with logo. That's really amazing, looking great. Let's see the output. If you go to video generation here, you can then go ahead and select the photo. We already have a video coming up, but I wanted to see if I can use the video gen here and to test out some other videos myself. So let's go to image, select from canvas, and this breakdown. So I gave it 3 images, and then I ask it to make that video. Okay, I think web search is not enabled here, should not be enabled here. So let's take this image first, and then let's go ahead and select from canvas this image. So these 2 images, and I go to video gen, go to settings here, 16:9. Web search is not required. Let's see now if it works. So CDance 2.0. Yeah, let's go ahead and see. Yep, this works. So web search was not required basically, but yeah, let's go ahead and see the output. These are the 2 videos that the agent has generated, and you can see the output. And this is the other output. Cool, basically, but without a proper input of the image of the lens here, or the glasses here, it made a completely different glass, but again, that could be a different version of the glasses. But we should always put some reference, and then it will be able to do that. So this is generating, you can see, and let's wait for the video. So we have this video. This is the video here, and now we are going to have a look at this video. Amazing. Cool. This is the product video, and I'm really impressed with the video at last. Okay, so we have this entire thing. Now we can send over this entire thing. This is like an auto layout, so you can do this auto layout to lay out everything if you want, like this. Share this with your client, and if the client is happy, well and good. Else you can go ahead and repeat the steps. Now the thing that we don't have here are the different social media campaigns, so like Facebook or X, Insta, YouTube. So you can go ahead and create this using, if you want to use the skills, you can go ahead and use the skills as well. So if you go to skills here, and then social media, and then go to, for example, I want an Instagram post. So you can go ahead and put in the images that you want. So if you go to skills, go to social media, Instagram post, and then select this. So we're using this, and you can just write it here. Go ahead and do. I know you got the idea. So go ahead and use this. Links are on the description, and I really love it because when I click on design and then I click on ceramic dinner set, it's going to give me the entire prompt that brings you this kind of outputs. It's really amazing. Go ahead and test this out, and I will see you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe if this video brought you value.